friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. I have a Stitch Fix unboxing. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix before and you would like to, there's a referral link down below so you can get $25 towards your first box. I would get credit as well. Use it if you want it. I love Stitch Fix. Here we go. Trusty Rusty Screwdriver! Stitch Fix sends you 5 items. They send you a Fix preview where they'll like pick out 10 items and you can either pick stuff from that, or if you don't like anything from that, they'll just send you all new stuff. And it's just fun and I like it. My Style Pass will be going away, which is a bummer, because I think I've had the Style Pass for like 6 years, 5 years, 5 years. So I don't know what they're doing over there, but I think people are gonna be mad. But it's okay. I don't want this yet. This is the price list. They send you back the mail. They send you the mailer to send back things you don't want to keep. Here we go. Hi, Rachel. Happy Fix Day. I hope that you're doing well. I'm thrilled to see you're ready for summer, and I've carefully selected pieces that I believe will perfectly complement your summer vibe. The teal green Listerine pants are a fantastic choice for those warmer days. Their extra high-rise bootcut design is not only trendy, but also incredibly comfortable for all-day wear. Pair these with the gold Listerine top for a cohesive chic look that's effortlessly stylish. Gold. That looks orange, but we'll see. For a more casual yet equally fashionable option, the gray Kaylee bodysuit is a versatile piece that can be easily paired with the teal green pants for a sleek silhouette. Sleek silhouette. Its knit fabric ensures comfort without compromising on style. Both outfits are ideal for embracing the summer season with a blend of comfort and elegance. Let me know your thoughts. Cheers, Hallie. We've had Hallie for a long time. Thanks, Hallie. Here we go. She looks slinky. She looks small. She looks like she's the queen of them all. Here we go. Look at her. Little gray peeking out under there. This bodysuit I have in a dark green, so I know I like it. This is the gold one she was talking about. It looks a little orange, but we'll try her on. Did I introduce Trusty Rusty? I don't know if I did. Here she is. Look at her. All her glory. Okay. Camera angle's weird. I don't know what I just did, but it's fine. Here we go. Summer! Summertime. All right. Here are these pants she was going on about. They feel awesome. They look cool. I hope they fit because these would be great work pants. There we are. They look really cute. They are the Listerine Trina Extra High Rise Bootcut Pant in Teal Green XL. I love a stretchy pull-on pant, gotta say. Here's the bodysuit, and I have this in a dark green already. It's very, very stretchy, so like if you have issues with like actual bodysuit snapping, it's very, very stretchy, so that's nice. I like that. I already know I like it. I didn't read what it is. Kaylee. It's by Kaylee. Kaylee, Chana, C-H-A-N-A, knit bodysuit in gray, XL. And I have a little tiny tank top. She didn't talk about these ones. These two I picked from the stream. The next two. Look how cute that is. Little flouncy, flowy. Buttons are not real, so they will not pull apart. Very important. This is by Fortune & Ivy, the Bonnie Button Detail Blouse in light blue. And also, the bows are not functional. So, well, they do, like, you can pull them apart and make the bow whatever size you want, but it's not gonna make the straps come off if you retighten them. So that's cute. Okay, and then we have another tank top. I don't have, like, any spaghetti strap tank tops because the only spaghetti strap tank tops I have are my camis that I wear under everything. So I thought that was kind of cute. And the back is, oh, am I like not even holding it up for you to see? These buttons, it's also sewn, so it will not come apart. But I have had sometimes like it flip open anyway. And then the back is elastic, kind of stretchy. So that's super cute. And then this is the one she wanted me to wear with the teal pants. We'll see. It has like a defined bust area, and most of the time when things have a defined bust area, it's not gonna fit my bust. So we'll see, but it's got kind of like a small peplum kind of flowiness, kind of double layer bottom there. This is definitely more orange than gold, I'd say, but you know what? We're gonna try it as she intended. We shall see what it looks like. I didn't read what they were. You guys, I don't know what's wrong with me today. It's fine. I read that one, didn't I? Yeah. This one's by This one's by Monday Fun, the Jody Button Detail Cami in olive. And then this is by Racerback, the SL Knit Top in gold. All right, let's try everything on. Yes, I know my head's cut off, but I wanted you to see the full look. These pants are so cute. They have little pleats right here, and they have the bow. The bow's not really bowing, if you know what I mean. It's like, I want it to go in a certain way, and it's not, like, it keeps going up like this, and I want it straight, but that's okay. So yeah, they're really cute. My only thing about it is like, my pants I'm used to right now that I've been wearing that are like a tie like this, the legs are tapered. So with this like wider leg, I'm just not used to it, but they're very comfy. I have the jumpsuit on. I love, let me bring it back up so you can see my head. I love the jumpsuit because the straps are like wide enough that I think it's appropriate for work. I did wear my green one the other day. I started off the day with like a cardigan over it, and then by the end of the day, I had it off because it was just so hot, and I still felt okay at work like this. Because I think they're wide enough that it's appropriate and nice. So I think this is a cute outfit. I'm curious to see what she's thinking with that gold top with these pants, because that's a peplum, and this is like, you kind of show this part. So I don't know, here's first outfit, pockets. Gotta love pockets. It's kind of like a crinkly gauze material too, which I think is very in right now as well. So yeah, first outfit's good. I feel like I should be in the Flintstones. This is kind of like Flintstones pattern. Yeah, no. These don't go with the pants at all, Hallie. So just so you know, the bust line, if it were to actually be under my bust, would be like way down here. My camis on. It's a no. It's a nice flowy top, but like for the big busted girls, it's a no. I will leave that feedback for her so she knows. These don't go together. The gray top and these do. That's about as much time as I'm willing to spend on this top. Okay, here's a green tank top. I think it's nice. It is stiff. It's like a stiff material. I took off my emotional support cami, okay? So I would probably wear this one with one of my like Target camis because I like the straps on those better, and I think it goes better with like a simple tank top like this. But yeah, should I put it on with that? No, I don't know, it's fine. Here's the back. So the back has that stretch, which you need because this material does not have stretch. But I do like that the buttons don't come apart. They're sewn shut, so you don't have to worry about that. And then these shorts are from Old Navy. I love them. I love them so much. I think I talked about them in my other Stitch Fix video maybe, or maybe my other Wantable. Just want to see how it would look tucked in. A little blousier. I don't know why I'm blurry. There we go. So yeah. With a little belt, might be cute. I do like it better tucked in. It's just a better length for me with my proportions. You know, you guys don't like stuff tucked in. That's cool. That's fine. The straps are adjustable, which I did hike them up. So yeah, this one's cute. I think it's cute. Cute, cute, cute. Cute, cute, cute. Okay, let's do the last one. I really like the color. I like the color. It's just ill-fitting right here. So maybe it would have been nice if you're able to tie these to actually adjust the straps. I'm eating my words. Again, I would like tuck it in or something. It's a really pretty color for summer. V-neck, V on the back. It's a V-back, not a V-neck, it's a V-back to go with the front. But yeah, the straps straps are just too loose. And if you pull it down, they're just too loose. See? You can untie it, does nothing. So yeah, I don't know. Let's go over prices and see if I'm gonna keep anything while I still have my style pass and I don't lose out on money. Prices. Here we go. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. The knit bodysuit, $35. That's not bad. The Fortune Ivy button-down detail blouse in light blue, $45. The Lacerine extra high-rise boot cut in teal green, $55 for those pants. The Monday Fun Jody button detail cami in olive, $40. And the Lacerine SI knit top in gold, $38. So the whole box, $213. If you keep everything, you get 25% off, making it $159.75. So for the whole box, that's not bad. That's not bad for Stitch Fix. Some of you are probably like, yeah, that's bad. But I mean, that makes it like every item like $27, you know, if you keep everything. Everything was pretty good except for the Bam Bam Flintstones top. Well, and the blue top not fitting. So yeah, I don't know. Should I keep that gray bodysuit? I think it's very, very versatile. Versatile. Like, you don't even need to snap it if you don't want to. No one's gonna see the hanging thing if your pants are loose enough. So yeah, I liked everything. I liked the idea of everything. Not everything. So yeah, I think I might keep the bodysuit. It's very exciting. If you guys made it this far, comment a sun emoji because it is so hot outside. I'm gonna go jump in my pool. I'm gonna take all this makeup off and go jump in my pool. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.